Because all flesh is as grass, and all the glory of man as the flower of grass, the grass withers and the flower falls away. 1 Peter 1:24.
I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Guys, if you're new, a lovely welcome. If you are already a part of my YouTube family, a lovely welcome. I will show you guys a bit of how I achieved this install. The hair that I used is the Zury 3x Value Pack Bohemian, and it's 14 inches and it's double strand. And it's Sombre Blonde.
To get into this video, here is my braiding pattern. Here's what it looks like. I actually started this braiding pattern differently this time. I have, as you can see, like 2 at the fronts and they're joined into 1 at the back, and I think altogether I have about 6 or 5 braids, and I've already gone ahead and installed some of the hair, and this looks like it will work out perfect for a twist, so we'll have to try that next time maybe. So again, the hair that I am using is the Zury Bohemian 14-inch 3x double strand value pack hair. Wow, that's a long name. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just taking 1 strand of the hair and I am separating it. And guys, I separated this hair like there was no joining them back together ever again. Like, I separated it about like 5 times when it came toward the front, and toward the back maybe about 3 times. So now I have 2 different crochet needles, and I will, the small ones for the front and the big ones for the back. So as you can see, I'm just using the bigger needle for the back there, and look how easy it is to knot this hair. Do you see that? Super simple. Okay guys, enjoy the video. Now, so far I have used about 5 bundles of the hair because I used 2 packs in total, so there are 3 bundles per pack. Now, toward the front of my hair, I am using the smaller needle just because the braids are smaller at the front. And again, the bigger the braids are, I use the bigger crocheting hook, latch hook. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, for the front of my install, what I did is I went ahead and I cut the hair and then I feathered it just to give it that layered effect and to make it frame my face a bit more. And as I said, I did separate this hair quite a lot. So again, I have used 6 bundles, total in 2 packs. And this is me completing the install. However, I didn't really like how it looked at this point because I thought it was a little bit too full. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I don't particularly prefer big hair. So I'm going in now with the mousse just to tame down the curls a little bit. And the mousse did help somewhat. It sort of revived the curls a bit, making them a little bit more defined. Now this is what the hair had looked like, as you guys can see in the clip before, is what the hair looked like with just the mousse. And to me, it was still a bit full, like it had a lot of volume, so I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more flat, like toned it down a little bit. So I'm just going in now with my crystal, my Eco Styler gel, and it's the clear one. And I'm just, you know, kind of saturating it throughout the hair. And then I'm twisting the hair, and hopefully I'll get a better result. Well, not hopefully, but I kind of did. So now I'm just tying the hair down, and I actually did go to bed, and this is what it looked like the next day.
So I took out this side, the twist, and this is the last one that I have. It's a bit damp still. Still a bit damp. So kind of revive the curls a bit. I don't know how I feel about this hair though, to be honest. I don't know. I think it's too light. I don't know. Like I kind of preferred if the roots were more darkened, but I think it's a bit too blonde for me. Yeah, so this is what I'm left with after I remove the curls. Not the curls, the twist. And it looks okay, I think. Looks alright. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this one in for. I just think like the curls, everything's fine. It's just the color. I would have honestly preferred, I don't know. I don't know yet. Like, I don't know. Here's the back. The only issue I would say that I have with it is the color. I don't know, I think it's a little bit too... Just because I'm so used to having darker hair. The first thing I want to say, honestly, I like this hair. I really do. To install it, it was so easy. All I had to do was separate the hair, like one strand of the hair, and I was able to separate it about like 5 times. When I came toward the back, I separated it about 3 to 4 times. Toward the front, I did it much smaller. I didn't shed much, and to knot the hair, I only had to like knot it maybe like 2 or 3 times. The texture is not shiny. It's just a really nice texture. And I like working with this hair. Honestly, the only problem I find I'm sensing with this hair at this point is the fact that it is so blonde. This is color number 4 with blonde. For this one, you can see like I left a much, not even, I didn't leave my hair up, but I didn't really braid too close toward the front. Yeah, so if it was like black, the hair color was darker, then, you know, when I did or if I would do that, it would look different. But as is, this is what we have. And we're gonna work with it. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna leave this in for. We'll see. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Comment, like, and share this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos like these, again, please do hit that subscribe button. And God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.